Hello everyone, I'm Atunki. I'm a part of the Great Agency. Today I'm looking forward to tell you about our project called Peace is Beautiful. As our President Hồ Chí Minh đã once said, dân ta phải biết sự ta cho từng quốc tích nước nhà Việt Nam. However, nowadays, many young people are not interested in history due to a lack of relevant approaches. The rate of young people participating in related events is not impressive, so here we are to solve the problem. On the occasion of the 18th anniversary of the August Revolution and the Independence Day, we will be bringing together history and art, which will be performance and exhibition while providing young people access to history through podcasts as demonstrated by Pesseteria. It is a medium that is more accessible and familiar to them. Now, it's our product description. We have exhibition Chuyện Năm Bổ Lăm, we have dramatic art performance Chuyện Tháng 8, and lastly, we have the postcard Chuyện Năm Bổ Lăm. First is our exhibition Chuyện Năm Bổ Lăm. This exhibition will feature story, memorial, military equipment from two major events, the August Revolution and the Independence Day. This is also a free event. This exhibition will feature a dedicated section with a projection of President Hồ Chí Minh reciting the Declaration of Independence at Paris Square on September 2, 1945. Merchandise will be sold in black form related to the August Revolution and Independence Day to offer cause and support war in ballet and artists. This popular trend stimulates curiosity and engages young customers, encouraging them to learn more about the product and brand. And the budget for this exhibition will be estimated 6 billion. Secondly, is our multi-sensory dramatic art performances called Chuyện Tháng 8. This performance will recreate the key moments and victories of the August Revolution in 1945. This will be a paid event, and all the profit will be used to fund the ballet and artists. Now, the performance will take place in three major cities, Hà Nội, Đà Nẵng, and Hồ Chí Minh, with two shows in each city, for a total of 6, and each night is expected 5,000 participants, with a total of 30,000. And the outdoor setting will resemble a war scene, immersing participants in a realistic atmosphere that involves nervousness and strong emotion. And the expected budget will be 3 billion. Now let's come to the postcard Chuyện Năm Bổ Lăm. This postcard will involve veterans, invited parties or descendants who participate in August Revolution or Independence Day. This podcast will be launched on Spotify and YouTube, with episodes sharing the experience of soldiers, allowing people to engage the history in a more accessible way with a peaceful conversation about your story and listening. We will be launching a podcast with the title Chuyện Năm Bổ Lăm. This podcast will involve veterans and descendants who have participated in 1945 August Revolution on the ensure that our national story is cherished and celebrated for the days to come. And I will leave you with another quote from Ho Chi Minh, không có gì với đời tự do. Thank you for your attention. And